Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2021 Infiniti QX50. This is the autobiography? Autograph, that's it. So it's the autograph trim, top of the line, total price of $59,220. This one has the 2-liter. The 2-liter turbo is a really unique motor for one big reason. It is one of, if not the only motor I know of that has variable compression. That's pretty insane. It also provides 268 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque. So it is a motor and a half. Definitely very, very impressive powertrain on the QX50. I was a little worried because I really don't like manufacturers putting 4 cylinders in luxury products, but Infiniti nailed it. There's your intake. Absolutely awesome. Go ahead, take it out on the road. Now I do believe, may be mistaken, that this is based on the same platform as the Mercedes GLB. Not 100% sure, but I love the way this is sculpted so you can rest your hand. It's sculpted for your arm. It's just awesome. Reverse, drive. You have your distinctive 2 screens. Alright, so they did make it touch sensitive. Infiniti drive mode selector, just everything you would ever need right there. We'll be driving it in sport mode. I've turned everything to the sportiest mode possible. This does have a CVT transmission. Yeah, I know some people aren't gonna like that. It's one of the better ones I've driven. It actually suits this variable compression motor pretty well. Mitsubishi Raider. I never knew those things still existed. What a motor. It's super impressive. Now, obviously I don't know what I'm looking for. I don't even know how it works, so I can't tell that anything's going on with the compression ratio. I just can't tell. For those of you who are engineers and mechanics and all that and know exactly what, changes to the compression ratio do, you might notice a change, but I don't notice a single thing. What I do recognize or notice is that this engine is really, it can be whatever it wants. It can be super eco-friendly, nice, pleasant to drive around town, but it also can be a pretty high-performance 4-cylinder. If they put this in the Q60 and called it a day, I'd be like, yeah, it fits this motor. Fits this car, I should say. No, it's an awesome motor. I'm thoroughly impressed. This one I think was their demonstrator, so it's completely broken in. Well, that's nice to see. Nice advantage. Don't see a lot of those around here. Oh, that's your steering assist. Ah, I like it off anyway. Ah, and it's only available with cruise control on anyway, so. Road noise while cruising on the highway here, not bad at all. Especially for Infiniti's kind of entry-level SUV. Man. What a motor, man. Nobody behind us. Brakes, very, very progressive. Now, if they put this motor in any Nissan, done. I mean, that would be... Actually, this might be the same motor that's in the Ultima Turbo. This might be that motor. Because the power delivery, everything feels very similar. So it might be that motor. I don't know. Which I've driven that car a couple times now. Actually, no, I've only driven one. I don't know. I do so many reviews that it's kind of... They all kind of blend together except for the standout cars like the Evora and the Vantage and the Aventador and all those cars. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.